Student wants to emphasize the fossil's significance. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Pinnipeds, which include seals, sea lions, and walruses, live in and around water. Pinnipeds are descended not from sea animals, but from four-legged, land-dwelling carnivores. Canadian paleobiologist Natalia Rybinski recently found a fossil with four legs, webbed toes, and the skull and the teeth of a seal. Rybinski refers to her rare find as a transitional fossil. The fossil illustrates an early stage in the evolution of pinnipeds from their land-dwelling ancestors. So, the focus of the student wants to emphasize the fossil's significance. So the significance of the fossil is that it is a transitional fossil, where it highlights how the pinniped illustrates the early stage of the evolution of pinnipeds from their land-dwelling ancestors. So, A. Canadian paleobiologist Natalia Rybinski's fossil has the skull and teeth of a sea lion, which, like sea lions and walruses, is a pinniped. So, this is incorrect because this doesn't properly highlight the fossil's significance. Instead, it simply highlights the fossil that Natalia Rybinski found and that it's similar to sea lions and walruses, nor does it show how the fossil is actually related to the sea lions and walruses. So A is incorrect. B. Pinnipeds are descended from four-legged, land-dwelling carnivores. A fossil that resembles both was recently found. This is incorrect because this doesn't properly highlight the fossil's significance. Instead, it simply says that pinnipeds are descended from four-legged, land-dwelling carnivores. So, because it doesn't highlight the fossil's significance, B can be eliminated. C. Having four legs with the skull and teeth of a seal, the rare fossil illustrates an early stage in the evolution of pinnipeds from their land-dwelling ancestors. This seems to be the correct answer, because this properly describes the fossil and highlights the significance of it, which is that it highlights the early stage of evolution of pinnipeds from their land-dwelling ancestors. So overall, C seems to be the correct answer. D. A transitional fossil was recently found by paleobiologist Natalia Rybinski. This is incorrect, because this does not highlight the emphasize the fossil's significance, it merely refers to the fossil as a transitional fossil, so D is incorrect. And thus the correct answer is C.